cuz? Aquí anda su compa, el Amaya Singlecabs. I'm looking at the lens, Adrian. I'm looking at the lens.
Give me the fucking camera.
All
Alright guys, welcome to Intake Legacy.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright my guys, we're gonna fucking change the headers on this piece of shit.
A ver, wait, let me show off the headers.
They're all crusty, but this nigga fucking spray painted them, but it's all good. Fuck. Put these bitches on.
Mira los cuernos, güey. Los cuernos que te pusieron.
It's probably hella rusty inside.
Fuck yeah. A ver, wait, thumbnail.
There. They're gonna put there right here. Is it dope?
You gotta do it. Yeah, fucking. A la verga, mira pinche.
There. Alright, it's probably rusty inside. Someone added you or some shit. Alright guys. This shit hasn't been moved except for towing the piece of shit truck Edwin has. Because if they see you went off, went shitty. Fuck! Anyways, we're gonna do the headers. Apparently has a clamp on white pipe. Yeah, you know? I'm gonna take that shit off. This shit don't overheat no more. I'm how. We're gonna loosen up the headers real quick, and then we'll go from there.
They're not that tight, way. You know? Fuck, the shoe loud. I'm all like,
You don't know. This side could be all fucked up.
Yeah, you right. So far, so good, way.
You'll do that side, I'll do this side.
Alright, let me get an extension. That's
Alright,
at 14, way.
This thing sounds like shit, guys. It's just a pipe. Looking at me. I didn't know what the fuck that was, but whatever. Damn, son. That was a fat ass exhaust leak, couldn't it?
Fuck, is this shit broken?
What, that one? The fat ass exhaust leak, couldn't it?
Hitting it. Alright,
So we moved over here to our little sick ass driveway, boys.
thanks, guys.
A ver, güey, pues vamos a quitar esta chingadera de volada. Allá dejé la troca prendida, deja de traérmela para acá. Tiene los bangers, Adrian.
This bitch is gonna eat it.
Took off the bolts. Hi, Adrian.
Yeah. Next. Fuck. I'm gonna say.
We took off the bolts, ya mañana vamos a quitar el white pipe. It's already getting dark, Adrian.
A ver, ¿dónde está la pinche luz?
Ahí go, pinche lucesona, chingona la güey. Ahí está el white pipe. Tenemos que quitarlo. Take that bitch off. There's a clamp right there. Y luego we'll put on the headers. Hopefully they fit. You think they'll fit, Adrian?
No.
No? Fuck. I really hope they fit. The guy I bought them from said he had them on the truck like this one. So hopefully.
It's just been bullshitting just to sell them.
Right?
Alright, cut.
What's good, guys? It's day 7. Putting on the headers. I'm rocking the Indians. I want to get the can of random one dirty.
Them vergas.
They're hella crispy.
There, güey, ya quité este lado. Y al otro lado.
What are you doing? Hold up, I'm on. Oh shit. Oh damn, alright, bet.
Can you pull it off or
Yeah,
do
hold
I
up.
get it?
You get it.
Hold up, let me.
Take off the
I know.
dumbass
I know.
Ah, pinche pa, me está
Go on.
chingando. Don't mix it up, babe, because I'm not gonna know which one goes where.
I'm just trying to fucking pull it out. It's because the header is fucking falling on it.
Lift up the header and pull it out.
It's because I can't lift it up and record at the same time.
Then,
I can't use all 7 of my hands. Damn, this plug is on there.
pull that bitch out con huevo, güey. Con huevo.
Fuck, it's not. There you go.
¿Qué más? Is that the only one?
Yeah. What happened?
Cayó el pinche hilo, my bugs were you biting the fuck
It blows up right there.
Fuck.
It didn't have a
a
gasket.
gasket.
Piece of shit. It didn't have a. Sick.
Alright, before I take off the other side, let's check the fitment on this side.
It's gonna hit that. It's gonna hit the
You
pipe.
think so?
Oh hell yeah! What you
Want
mean?
to come over out of the way? Here, let me take this little piece off. Vamos a ver, vamos a ver.
Feel like we need a jacket.
I think we might have to check it a little bit.
All right, bet. It hang low.
It's super close to the filter. The oil filter.
Is it hitting it?
No, it's not.
Boom, beast. Look, they fit. Look, boom.
Right there's good?
Yeah,
Right there's where they go?
yeah.
And took off the head. No tenían gaskets, right, güey? Not even one gasket on that shit. What up, boy? Let me take off this dumbass pipe. Lift up the truck, way. Go. Voy a quitar esto. Estas tapas.
recording?
Yeah?
We're done.
What do you mean when we're done? People want to see us put the headers on.
Yeah, we're still not done.
Well, I gotta explain what I'm doing.
Yeah, at least know you're taking it off.
Well, I gotta say it anyways, because you know there's always that one guy.
What are you doing?
Or like us, when we watch YouTube and we see them trying to install it and then they just skip. They skip to an install.
right here.
Alright, pues, I'm gonna take this valve cover off. So the header will fit.
Sick.
Eugene, where you from?
Huh?
Where you from, Eugene?
From Hobbs. Shitty here. Everybody, man.
From Colorado.
Hey, bro. I don't know what it is.
Right,
Fuck
but I'm gonna
Texas.
take this shit.
It's old.
No copiaron los pinches headers. Mira, de unas buenas martilladas. Didn't fit. Este lado it didn't fit. Entonces ya puse los originales para atrás. Put the original headers back on. They kept hitting right there. Right in the control room. So whatever. Ahí es donde pegaban cada rato. Ni modo, no copiaron los güeyes. Tengo que poner los originales para atrás. Pero pues, ni modo.
Because we couldn't fit them. What happened, Eden?
Couldn't fucking fit the headers.
We couldn't fit them, dog.
Over here releasing the shit.
Alright, my guys. We couldn't fit the fucking headers. Some bullshit. But find some new ones.
Yeah,
Those were pretty cheap.
There's a video.
I feel like we need to find like ones that
just
online.
one. We just need one.
It's different. I think it's a different header or some bullshit.
I got a firewall for the fucking trucks, bro. The 454 trucks.
I feel like we got one off of like a Camaro. That guy was bullshitting. Just to sell him.
Shit.
Just to sell him.
What a fucking faggot.
Alright, let's go.
Fucking trash.
Looks like this shit. Look at the dipstick.
I don't even want to put it back together.
Let's go.